Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Ooh. Hey everyone, Cessner here. So in today's video, we're gonna add pirates to our game. So I downloaded an asset called Low Poly Paper Boat in the Unity Asset Store and imported the pirate boat to our scene. I also scaled down the pirate boat to fit our game. Also added floaters to our pirate boat to make it float seamlessly along the waves like this. Also added 2 more boats to make it look like a pirate fleet, and now our title screen looks like this.
Wow!
Then I added the pirate fleet to our level 1 scene. I then added this code here from our Sumo Balls game to make the pirate fleet follow our player. Modify the code a little bit, and now let's test it. And now it's going round and round. Well, that didn't turn out as expected. Next is I tried to use the script for our player's camera since it follows the player around as well. Just need a little bit of modification. So after a little bit of programming and getting slapped by a keyboard, let's test our code. Okay. We'll be right back. Well, you know, in programming, nothing really works at the first or even second try, so I made some tests and used this code here. This code rotates our enemy to face our player. If you look here closely, the blue arrow of the pirate boat is facing the right side. The blue arrow is the z-axis, which corresponds to the front of the object. If you look here, the right side of the boat is properly rotating to face our player, which means there is a problem with the 3D model of the boat. So I went to Blender and opened up our pirate boat and rotated it to face the z-axis. I re-imported our pirate boat and now it's facing the right direction. Now all that's left to do is to make a usable script that allows the enemy, which is the pirate boat, to follow our player. So I watched this tutorial of Brackeys that uses a simple AI that allows the player to have a pathfinding system. But in our game, instead of the player, we are going to add it to the pirate boat, and we did it with this code here. The first line of the code gets the direction our pirate boat should move. The second line of the code gets the position our pirate boat should move. And the third line of the code moves our pirate boat to the position and direction we set it to. Before we get our player moving, we need to bake a nav mesh to our scene. As you can see, the blue areas are the areas where our pirate boat can move to. So let's place first our player near the finish goal. Now we are going to watch our pirate boat move towards our player using the AI pathfinding that we coded. So we hit play. As you can see, our pirate boats are avoiding each other and are avoiding the obstacles as well and are moving only on the blue areas. So this AI pathfinder that we coded with the help of the nav mesh from Unity calculates the shortest route to get to the destination, which is our player. So you can see they are turning as well here and avoiding the obstacles and just finding all the efficient path while they reach our player here near the finish goal. And of course, the game won't be exciting without the particle effect of an explosion. Now all that's left to do is to play through our game. So let's play through our game, and as you can see, the pirates are chasing me. So do a quick turn here and here, and as you can see, the pirates are still following me. So if you play this game, you have to be very careful with the turns that you do, otherwise the pirates are gonna catch you because their speed is the same as the speed of the player, so you can't afford to stop and you always have to keep on moving. So at this point, they are still following me, But once you reach the finish goal, they are gonna stop on following you. And no one's following us anymore. So we are gonna test our level 2 as well, but we're gonna fast forward it because level 2 takes too long to clear. At this point, I made some very inefficient turns and I allowed the parrot to catch up to me, so I need to be very careful with the next steps that I'm gonna do. So here I'm just avoiding obstacles and making sure that I'm not making any inefficient turns to not allow the parrots to catch up to me, otherwise I'm gonna lose. Oh, I failed my own game. Well, I guess I just suck at my own game. On the bright side though, I know that's gonna be hard for you guys, so that's a win in my book.
That's the evilest thing I can imagine!
Before I end the video, I would like to thank everyone who greeted me on my birthday. You guys are awesome, and thank you as well for all the support. We almost reached 400 likes on my Facebook page and almost 150 subscribers on my YouTube channel. When I started this YouTube channel, I honestly thought it would take me around half a year before reaching these numbers. What I'm just trying to say is, if you want to do something, then whatever is gonna happen, it's going to be a whole lot better than what you think. That's it for me today. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Also leave a comment down below. It will help me out a lot, especially with the YouTube algorithm. Also check out my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/Cesner. I'm streaming there almost daily. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys again on my future videos. See ya!